In Mexico now, social organizations and leadership of the Sonora State Yaqui Tribe continue to fight against a now operating state-sponsored aqueduct project that they say robs the community of their water. Now, as our correspondent Clayton Conn reports, they also say it attacks their constitutional rights as indigenous people.
Outside of Mexico's Supreme Court, civil organizations presented a damning report over how Sonora state and federal authorities have consistently violated the rights of the Yaqui indigenous tribe in their defense of water and territory with the construction of a massive aqueduct project.
The report shows grave human rights violations made against the Yaqui Tribe, such as the right to previous consultation for the construction, authorization, operation of the Independence Aqueduct, and without taking into account the decision of the Yaqui people.
In late January, the Supreme Court ruled in favor of the functionality of the polemic Independence Aqueduct. Yaqui leaders called the decision blatantly illegal as the state-sponsored project, functioning since 2010, was constructed without an impact analysis.
You can't decide if the project is legal or not, and you can't concede if you don't define or determine the environmental, human, anthropological, social, economic, and cultural impacts.
Civil organizations in solidarity with the tribe say the Yaquis' defense of their natural resources and the criminalization of their struggle is exemplary of Mexico's other indigenous communities.
The aggressions that the Yaqui tribe has suffered are an example of the aggressions that all indigenous people are facing. There is a very aggressive, predatory, criminal and inhumane process of displacement occurring.
For the Yaqui tribe, these aggressions have translated into the criminalization of their spokesmen. This past year, their leaders Mario Luna and Fernandez Jimenez were detained for their participation in organizing protests against the aqueduct. Yaqui leaders here say that their struggle for water ultimately represents a struggle for their traditions, lifestyle, and existence. Clayton Conn, Telesur, Mexico City.